Okay, for 82, they say they're making pies, right? And the fruit pie recipe calls for twice as many peaches as nectarines. Twice as many peaches as nectarines. And it takes a total of 168 pieces of fruit. How many nectarines are needed, right? How many nectarines? So let n be the number of nectarines, right? And that's all we really need, right? So nectarines, I'm just going to write it out, is n, and peaches, it says twice as many peaches as nectarines, so that's 2n, right? So now our equation is n plus 2n equals 168, right? And 3n equals 168, so n comes out to be 56, so 56 nectarines. Now, if you wanted to do it with two variables, we could then, so I'm going to add to this, I could then say let P be number of peaches, right? And then we could get two equations. We could say n plus P has to equal 168, and the other equation would be P equals 2n, right? So if we did it this way, we could have a system of equations. And now we could solve, right? So I would solve by substitution, right? I'm going to take this 2n and I'm going to put it in that one for P. So let's see what we got here. We got n, this top equation, right? N plus 2n equals 168, right? And then we're back to here, right? We're the same, and if we followed that down, we'd get 56 nectarines. So either way is fine. If it says use a system of equations, then you have to do it this way. If it doesn't say, then you could do it either way.